it's important to get your full 8 to 10 hours, but is it really?
We're here to put that to the test!
We have designed a study that measures the effects of sleep deprivation on cognitive ability.
There are a total of 3 types of tests being conducted on our subjects, Danny and Vanessa.
The first one is a reaction time test, which will gauge the subject's alertness and arousal.
Boom! Ah! Next is a series of mathematical calculations that measures both cognitive speed and critical thinking. Shout out to Miss McLean.
Lastly, a mirror tracing exercise, which measures their visual and motor skills.
The subjects will be taking these tests on 2 different nights. One night where they only get 4 hours of sleep, and then the next night where they get 9 hours of sleep.
They will be timed on these tests, and the results from each of the 2 days will be compared to identify any significant changes in ability.
We have documented this study in order to show the effects of sleep on the brain.
So we're almost done with night one. Night one, this is the night where we sleep the least, so we plan to stay up until 4 a.m. So we're gonna sleep from 4 till 8.
It's currently 3:09 a.m. Sorry, 3:09 a.m. And we have a long way to go until it's 4 o'clock.
It's not that long.
Well, look who it is. Look who we found in the heat.
And then we had breakfast. We had little
Flaky
things.
things.
And then now we're waiting for a little bit, and then we're gonna start our test things.
Your reaction time. You know, when the red box turns green, click as quickly as you can.
The answer is negative 58. Okay, so that was day 1 of our experiment things. It went. It happened, and Wasn't great.
it wasn't great, but we did it. We tested our things, and another weekend, like next weekend, we're gonna test out our abilities with, like, what's the word? 9 hours of sleep.
I'm still tired.
There's like 8 to 10 hours of sleep that we're supposed to get as teenagers. So we're gonna see if that's really true.
Teens should get about 8 to 10 hours of sleep per day, but about only 15% actually get that amount of sleep. Right, Lily?
Sleep back! Okay, so
Yeah.
this is night 2 of our sleep study. And this is the night where we are sleeping 9 hours. We're getting like an adequate amount of sleep as compared to our first night when we only got 4. Yeah.
So we'll see if there will be any significant changes.
first night we stayed here, and then we got 4 hours of sleep.
And this next one is the one we did today. Look how much neater it is.
It's
Great
a little
job,
nicer,
guys.
and we did a lot better time-wise.
A lot better, as you can see. For both of them, we were about 40 seconds better than we were.
Great! The record holder for longest time spent awake is Randy Gardner, who in 1964 didn't sleep for 11 days and 24 minutes. Don't do that at home.
Sleep fact.
Okay, well, many sleep-based studies throughout history have demonstrated the importance of getting adequate amount of sleep.
For example, a study that neurologists did at the University of Pennsylvania found that sleep deprivation over 3 consecutive nights, or in the study 88 hours, as well as chronic sleep loss in the study 4 to 6 hours of sleep a night for 14 nights, seriously impaired cognitive functions in healthy adults.
And our study has yielded similar results. According to the data from our test, the subjects showed significant improvement in cognitive ability when receiving an adequate amount of sleep as opposed to being deprived of it.
It's an established fact that sleep loss significantly impairs aspects of cognitive function, including arousal, cognitive speed, and physical coordination, symptoms which were exhibited by the subjects when deprived of sleep.
So, in conclusion,
Get better sleep!
For a better you.